Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What did you originally order?
I ordered the grilled salmon with a side of asparagus.
It looks like the kitchen brought you the roasted chicken.
Yes, and I'm actually allergic to the sauce here.
I apologize sincerely. Let me take this back right away.
How long will it take for the salmon to arrive?
It should take about 10 minutes to prepare it fresh.
That is okay, but please make sure it is hot.
I will tell the chef to prioritize your order immediately.
I also noticed that my glass of water is empty.
I will bring you a fresh bottle of sparkling water.
Thank you. I appreciate you handling this mistake so professionally.
We want every guest to have a perfect meal here.
I understand that mistakes can happen during a busy shift.
You are very kind. I will bring some bread now.
Is the manager available to speak about the menu tonight?
Of course, she is walking around the dining room now.
I just want to suggest some more gluten-free options here.
That is a great idea. We value all guest feedback.
Here comes the manager. I will speak with her briefly.
I will go to the kitchen and check your salmon.
The manager was very nice and thanked me for ideas.
I'm glad to hear that. Here is your salmon.
This looks much better and the smell is truly amazing.
Please enjoy your meal, and sorry again for the wait.
Can I get the check after I finish this dish?
Yes, I will bring it whenever you are ready, ma'am.
I will also leave a generous tip for your service.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of evening.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.